How to fix Messenger not showing active status. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can fix Messenger not showing active status. So before we begin, if you're new here, just head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now let's dive right in. First, what you'll need to do is check if your own active status is turned on. If it's not, you will not be able to see active status of anyone else as well. So locate your Messenger app and then open it up. After you're there, tap on the three lines on the bottom right and you should be on your menu. Then go to your settings. You'll find active status. Tap on it. Then make sure that this is toggled on. If it's not, simply toggle it on and check if now you can see if people are active or not. If this does not work, what you might want to do is check your internet connection, and if internet is not the issue, head over to your Google Play Store, search for Messenger, and if you see an update available, tap on update and update the app. If that does not work, try to uninstall the app and then install it back again. So this will make sure that the app that you have is on the latest version of Messenger. And if none of these work, head over to your settings, go to apps, head over to Messenger, and navigate to storage and cache. From here, clear out your cache and then restart your device. Doing that will fix the problem for you, and that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.